Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Good to see you. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. I want to show you what we got here. We got Canon Pixma TR8550. This is nice gear, nice baby. If you watched my previous video, I showed you how to unbox this printer, right? How to connect the ink cartridges. What we are going to do right now is load the paper tray for this printer. Once we load the paper tray, then we'll print out the alignment head. Okay, this is nice gear. This printer, the on and off button is at the back here. You can do a lot of stuff with this printer. It's multifunctional. Basically, you can print, copy, scan, and fax with this printer. It's nice and dope technology. Okay, what we're going to do, this printer, okay, got gasket at the bottom here, and also the rear tray. Okay, this is the rear tray at the back here. We are going to load this rear tray right now. I'm going to show you. This is the rear tray for this printer. You can see from this rear tray, what you need to do is pull it up. Okay, so once you pull it up this way, make sure it lap at the back. Okay, you can see this is the rear tray. The other thing you need to do, you need to bring out this lever here, okay, and spread out this plastic inside. Okay, there's a blue plastic which you need to open up so that the paper will go inside. So we'll open up this plastic inside here. Okay, this lever here take the paper, so you just need to push it aside. Okay, so it goes at the back. Once you put in the paper, you just need to put the paper and close this down. Okay, this rear tray will close. Okay, this is the first thing we need to do right now. I'm going to show you. To load the paper tray, okay, this is A4 paper. To load this, you just need to, don't overload it. Okay, this printer, you can print, I believe, up to 100 pages of documents, right? But you just need to make sure you don't put too much paper. Okay, so here we go. Okay, make sure you don't overload it, so it goes in here. Okay, now the next thing to do is I won't close this right now, because if I close it, it will print out the alignment head straight away. So I'm going to also load the button gasket. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, now the next thing to do is we have a gasket here. Okay, we have a gasket here, right? You can see this gasket. Okay, this gasket, you can open it up this way. You can extend it. If you want to extend it, you push this down here. Okay, push it down and extend. Push down and extend. Okay, if you want to also to push it back up, you just press this and push down. Right now, you see this lever here. You need to shape this. So if you look at from this, you can see A5 paper, A5. Okay, so if you have A5 paper, you select this to A5 paper. Okay, if you have B5, you shift it to B5. Okay, if you have A4 paper, you shift it extremely at the bottom is for A4. Okay, so you can see A4 size. Right now, the other thing to do also is to shift this across sideways. So once you shift this across, then you are ready to go. So we go and load the paper tray. Okay, and make sure we don't overload it. Give it a bit of space. Okay, because if you overload it, the printer will not be functioning properly. Okay, sometimes it will cause paper jam. So we just make sure we put, you know, reasonable amount. Okay, right, I have another set of A4 paper here. Make sure everything is set, okay, properly right now. So we load this, okay, straight in. Going to do right now is to load this in. Okay, yeah, and lift this back. Okay, because if you don't do it, the paper needs to be inside completely. So if you are struggling like as it is right now, it's not in properly, so you need to make sure that you first of all leave this, extend this, okay, to the extreme end, right? And so once you extend it, you see it's right now from here it's showing you A4 paper, okay? So you need to extend this right now, okay, like I said earlier, okay? So we put this inside, here we go. So once it's in, you see that the paper is in, and right now I'm ready to go. So the next thing we need to do is make sure that to close this casket, okay? So we have cover here we need to put in, okay, as well. So once you got this cover, make sure you line it. Yeah, there is a hole here, you need to make sure this cover goes in, okay? You can see here, you need to make sure this cover goes into the hole as required, and do the same thing to the other one, okay? Yeah, you can, once you look at it, you can see that the hole is there, and the same thing on this side, okay? So this is how to load the car paper tray. This is the bottom casket and the back rear paper tray. Right now what we need to do is take this, okay, and put it straight away to the printer, okay? Once it's in, what we need to do is just push it down, push it in slowly, okay? And what it's saying here, remove the casket and extend it better to loading. That's what I said. So you remove it and extend it better to extend. Click OK for that. Right now we need to push this inside, okay? It's in. Right now this cartridge is, the casket is in and ready, okay? So we just need to click OK. This information here in the front is just telling you how to load a sheet of paper, how to load it, which we have done. So it's in, the cartridge is in, the paper is in, okay? We'll just select OK, and also close this one at the back here. Right now select OK. Now it's telling you please wait momentarily, okay? What we need to do also, we need to open this up. We need to open this compartment up so that the print alignment head will come out from here, okay? So we need to open this up, okay? So this is the instruction. What we need to do right now is open this up, select OK. Here we go, okay? Right now this is printing the alignment head. If you look over here, it's telling you printing the alignment head. You can stop it by pressing stop, but it's printing right now and everything is working as it's supposed to. So this is how to load the paper tray and print alignment head for this printer. Yeah, it's printing nice and slowly. It's coming. So you must always print the alignment head and complete it so that this printer will set and ready for you to use it and work nice. Here we go. This is the alignment head, okay? And the next thing to do from this instruction, you can see it's telling us place the paper with the pattern printed on the pattern, okay, and select OK right now. So we'll take this off, okay, and place it to the screen, okay. Right, the next thing to do is just click OK. Now it's aligning the print head. This is what it's doing, and once it's finished that, it will tell you it's complete, okay. So we just need to keep an eye. Print head alignment is complete. I want to show you so that your printer must always show this. Print head alignment is complete, okay. Right now, so what we need to do is select OK. Okay, so the next thing is to start connection, which I'm going to show you as well. Thank you.